A soccer field is 115 yards long by 70 yards wide. What is the length of the diagonal of a soccer field? Round your answer to the nearest tenth. Step 1, we will model the problem by drawing a picture. Here is our soccer field, 115 by 70 yards. Our goal is to find the diagonal. The diagonal is always going to be the hypotenuse of a triangle. As you can see after filling in, when we slice the soccer field diagonally, we end up with a triangle. So now we can use Pythagorean's theorem to solve this problem. I have labeled our two legs A and B. They are interchangeable, so you can put them vice versa. And then I have stated our Pythagorean's theorem, which was our second step, and I've also substituted in our given values. Now it's time to solve. I have evaluated our exponents. The next step is to add. When you add, you get 18,125. Because we need to know what C equals, not C squared, we need to take the square root of C, which means we also need to take the square root on the left. When we do that, we end up with 134.62. However, they asked us to round to the nearest tenth. The tenths place is always the number directly to the right of the decimal point. So as you can see here, I have dramatized our decimal point so that you can see the number directly to the right, which is 6. I have underlined it. To round, you need to find your place, look next door, 5 or greater, add 1 more. 4 or less, we will stay at rest. So what that means is once we find our place and look next door, the number in the bubble is 2. That falls in the 4 or less category since 2 is less than 4, meaning the underlined number will stay at rest or stay exactly what it is. So our final answer after rounding to the nearest tenth is 134.6 yards.